Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. I'm really stoked about. Something I've been kind of fighting myself against for hell the last year. But first, before I get into it, I want to give all the channel members a huge thank you, thank you, and welcome any of you if you're new, if you're just stopping by for the first time. If you like EDC content, just hit that subscribe button below and that bell notification icon, and you'll be notified when I go live, when I release new content like this unboxing that'll go up. And if you guys are over on IG and you give me a follow over there, I would appreciate it. I post pocket dumps, shorts, things like that. Same handle as here at jevans_knifeaddict_life. So this package from Smoky Mountain Knives, I don't know, the unboxing knife is the TKL Piranha. I don't know what led me to pull the trigger this time when I'd been kind of seeing this knife. It's not a new knife, but it's one that I have not yet had a chance to snag. I have reviewed it, or done an overview of it, I should say. Got it on National Knife Day, so I got a t-shirt. Got a cookie. Got a box. Let's see what else we got in here. Hold on. So I don't show any. Got a sticker. Boulder, Colorado Knifeys. And that is it, guys. So let's see what we got here. Let's kind of unpack this out and see what we're working with. So, got a classic sugar cookie. That'll be awesome. Ties, Boulder, Colorado, established 1989. I actually was living in Boulder, Colorado in 1991 through 1994. And then Smoky Mountain Knife Works, some kind of Knife Day shirt. What's it say? National Knife Day, Smoky Mountain Knives. Yay. Let me fold that back up. And then we have a knife, which is what we're all here for. And this knife is from Reate Knives. It is, I don't know if you all can read that. It's Exo-M FatCarbon Pines Peak Titanium Elmax satin finish. So this is our Reate swag. They're going to make me dig for it, aren't they? Which I'm assuming is extra hardware, troll candy, a Reate patch. Looks like a Reate bag and a Reate sticker. And we will put that away. A Reate sticker, Reate patch, put our extra hardware in there. And the knife just kind of sticks down in there. And guys, this is the lockable Exo-M. Tanto. So this knife I have been very interested in ever since it came out in this smaller form factor. More of a novelty item, but a usable novelty item. When I saw that it was in Elmax, it was tanto, it was in stock, and it had kind of a different carbon fiber pattern, which is this Pike's Peak Arctic carbon fiber, fat carbon fiber. I think it looks really kind of cool. Stoked about the knife. Gonna have to do some serious fidgeting with it. See if I can find anything to cut. Hold on a second here. This isn't really something good to cut, but it's cuttable. So it's very sharp, guys. And that is the Reate Exo-M in, what do we call that color? FatCarbon Pines Peak. So Pines Peak FatCarbon. And what's cool to me about the Exo-M, besides the fact that it's smaller, is the lockable feature. So you've got this lockout feature where you can lock the blade open, or more importantly, you can lock it shut. And that allows you to have this pocket clip, this right-hand carry only, but you can carry it in your pocket like a regular traditional carry. And then unlock it, open it to deploy it, open it to close it. I just love the action. I think it's just kind of a very refined design. When I did an overview of A to Z EDCs, he has the full-size Exo and he has the Exo-M. He'd had Lancelot Leather, Brother Joda, build him the first of the slips that Lancelot did for the Exo. Lancelot actually built him two. He built him one that he carries in his pocket and one that kind of goes on his belt. But I don't know if you guys can see this way this particular variation's blade is. You've got this nice satin stone wash here, and then you've got the, or satin finish here on the lower, and then you've got the stone washing up here on the flat. A lot of fun. I mean, like I said, I've experienced it, but I haven't had it for, to have it in my collection to feel like I could really use it. I could kind of, check it out. So that, guys, is the final unboxing of the day, unless something that I'm not expecting comes. Do have one coming tomorrow that I'm pretty stoked about, and I'll show you guys then. But I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out any of my content. Anytime you spend here is a gift to me. I appreciate you all more than you know. Channel members, thank you so much for all y'all do. And just everybody, I appreciate you. Love the community. Stoked about the Exo-M. Let you know in a couple of weeks what my final thoughts are on it. But please, in the meantime, if you'll look out for the guy or gal to your left, look out for that guy or gal to your right, look out for each other, go forward with love in your heart, choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.